Science moves the world forward, and at Thermo Fisher Scientific, we help make that progress possible. Every day, our customers take on some of the world's biggest challenges, from developing life-saving medicines to ensuring the safety of our food, water, and environment. Our customers seek us out because we're the trusted partner behind that work. We combine global scale, leading technologies, and deep expertise to help our customers move faster, make smarter decisions, and bring solutions to market with confidence. From early discovery to full-scale production, we simplify complexity so our customers can focus on what matters most. Results. Our connected platforms and AI-enabled capabilities turn data into insight and insight into action, accelerating innovation at every step. And as science advances, so do we, expanding our capabilities, investing in innovation, and strengthening our position at the center of growing and essential industries. Because when our customers succeed, they don't just move science forward. They create healthier lives, a cleaner environment, and a safer world. And that's what drives our success, today and into the future.